In this video, we will address frequently asked questions about Norgen's Stool Total RNA Purification Kit to help you maximize the efficiency of your RNA purification process. Facts Unpacked. Experts simplifying the complex. Your questions, our solutions. If you observe poor RNA yield, it could be due to the following reasons. You might have used a very low input sample volume, or the sample was not completely homogenized. If the RNA is degraded, it could be due to the following reasons. The sample before homogenization or RNA after elution was exposed to room temperature for an extended amount of time, the homogenization was excessive, or RNase contamination might be present. If the RNA doesn't perform well in downstream applications, it could be due to the following reasons. The column was not sufficiently washed, or the ethanol was not completely removed before elution. This can be solved by dry spinning for a longer period of time. Norgen Stool Total RNA Purification Kit will isolate all sizes of RNA, including large RNA like 18S and 28S, and small RNA that is less than 200 nucleotides in size. Ethanol is required to prepare the lysate, as well as to make the wash solution A ready to use. If you forgot ethanol in either step, it can cause low or no RNA recovery. If you're using a temperature-controlled centrifuge, please ensure all centrifugation steps are still carried at room temperature between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Our kit comes with an optimized elution buffer, which maintains RNA compatibility with most downstream applications. If you need to use any alternate elution buffer, ensure that it provides good recovery and is compatible with your downstream application. Norgen offers a fast and simple protocol for purifying RNA from stool. You can process up to 10 samples simultaneously in about 30 minutes. If you're using chemically preserved stool samples, like with our stool nucleic acid collection and preservation tubes, please use 400 microliters of the homogenized sample. Otherwise, use 200 milligrams of fresh or frozen sample. If you're working with non-human stool samples, you can still use our Stool Total RNA Purification Kit. All kit components should be kept tightly sealed and stored at room temperature. The kit is stable for 2 years from the date of shipment from Norgen. If you're having these issues or any other problems or concerns, please contact Norgen at support@norgenbiotech.com.